explain you. India has the second largest railway in the world. Trains are another form of land transport which runs on rail. They are preferred means of transport for longer distance. In Delhi and Kolkata, many people travel by metro rails. Dear children, there are three types of transport. Should I explain you now? First one is the land transport, second water transport, third air transport. Land transport ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ children ಯಾವುದು ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೈನ್ is one of the land transport. There are preferred means of transport longer distance. Longer distance ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, it's better to travel in a train. In Delhi and Kolkata many metro. What is the metro train? Metro train ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಸಿಟಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಸಿಟಿ ಬಸ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏರಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಬಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ತರ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏರಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅನದರ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗೂ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ people will travel by train. This train we call metro train. Okay children, some animals are also needed for transportation in hilly areas. Ponies and moles are used to carry goods and people. In desert, camel are used to carry people and pull carts. A camel is called the ship of the desert. Elephants are used to move logs and people in the thick forest. See here, in some places animals transfer ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ animals ಗೆ, but animals they transfer goods, people, this all. In the usually in hilly areas, hill stations and desert, hilly areas and deserts ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ camel animals use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Why they people are using animals to transfer? Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ರೋಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ದಾರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, so it's not proper road. For this reason they used in the hilly area they just ponies. Ponies means is a type of horse. ಗಿಡ್ಡಗೆ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. moles means donkey, and here in the desert area they use camel. It's a ship of desert. Elephants are usually to move logs and people in the thick forest. Usually the elephants are used in the forest. Logs, LOGS, logs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಿಡ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಮಗೆ, ಅದು ಹಾಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ in the forest areas. Then come to water transport. Next transport is the water transport. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. Boats, steamers and ship travel on water. Transportation through water is low as compared to the land and air. Ships are used to transport huge quantities of goods to other countries. A ship needs good port for loading and unloading goods. Here water transport means ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ which type of vehicle will go on the water? Ship means jahaz ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, jahaz. Have you seen any ship in Goa? Port is there na, I already explained what is the port. Port means ship ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಶಿಪ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು land transport and air transport, ship is a lesser ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ see in the bus is a land transport and aeroplane is a air transport, but ship is a water transport. Compared to other land and air transport, ship transport is the cheapest means ಕಡಿಮೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿಂದ, but it take long time compared to land and water transport. Land and air transport ಇದು slow ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, and here also they carry more goods compared to land and air transports. Air transport has shrunk the world. It covers big distance in few hours. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Here is the compared to the land transport and water transport. Air transport is the fastest. ತುಂಬಾ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ. So aeroplanes and helicopters are usually in this form of transport. Helicopters are used for flying purpose and also rescue operations. But air travel is very costly. Only rich people can afford it. See here, compared to land and water transport, air transport is a very faster, but it's also costly. ಈಗ ಬಸ್ ಇಂದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಶಿಪ್ ಇಂದ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬೇಗನೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇಂದ ಈಗ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ರೋಡ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏರ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. The various means of transport have certainly brought people and place closer. Here, why the transport is so much useful for us is to close to the people. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬೈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. This lesson is finished. Now I am going to explain you exercise parts of this lesson. Defining a sentence. A man is there. B man answer the following question. I will send you photocopy. You write down in your classwork. C man. Fill in the blanks with the options given in the box. Some options are given here. We have to choose the correct answer and the correct sentence. If the place is that we walk the distance nearby. Answer is nearby. ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ. Second one, the dash is still a useful means of transport in village. Bullock. Dash are a preferred means of transport for longer distance. Train. Longer distance ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. Fourth one, in the dash areas ponies and mules are used to carry goods and peoples. Hilly. Fifth one, last one, air transport covers long dash in few hours distance. Okay, come to write T for true and F for false statement. Camel are used mainly in plains. No, it is usually in a desert. It's a false. Second one, transport is also needed to carry goods from one place to another place. Yes, is it true? Write T. The bullock cart is still widely used in most of the villages. Yes, is true. We should travel by foot if the place is nearby. Yes, it is also true. India has the largest railway network in the world. Yes, it is the second largest network in the world. Yes, it is also true. Match the following. E-mail. Auto, land transport. Steamer, water transport. Metro rail, Kolkata. Usually metro rail will used in Kolkata and Delhi. Helicopters, rescue operation. Elephant, land to move logs. Okay. F main, circle the odd one out in the each row. Here some words are given. We have to remove odd one. Okay. ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Camel cart, tanga, rickshaw, bullock cart. Rickshaw. Why rickshaw? Here also used animal. Here also for tanga also used horse. Bullock cart also used animals, but rickshaw will used in a petrol. Ship, train, boat, steamer, train. These all are the water transport. Train is a different. Bus, scooter, car, train. These all go by types. Bus, this one. Motorcycle, car, scooter, bicycle, car. Trolley, aeroplane, rocket, helicopter, trolley. Okay. Tick the correct answers. Which of the following is the fastest mode of the traveling air transport? It's the very fastest now compared to other transport. To move logs in the thick forest we use elephant. Aeroplanes land and take off from airport. Dash is used for water transport, ship. Okay. Here come H-men. Complete the crossword with the help of given clues. Here some puzzles are given and clues also given here. This will help you. First one, ship of the desert, camel. Animal used in the forest to move logs, elephant. Means of transport used in a rescue operations, helicopter. Ship loads and unloads goods here, port. They run on track, train. Okay, this much is finished. I'll send you photocopy. You write